Hey guys, we're here at Mill Creek Gardens in Marshfield, Wisconsin. They got a couple of cool events going on today. They got a photo booth with sparrows photography, and then a couple of other things. They added a new exotic selection. So I'm here to check that out, and we're gonna take a look at all of the other greenhouses that they have here. As you can see behind me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they got outdoor plants over here. So we're gonna check that all out with you guys. You might have seen a few of the videos in the past. We've done several of them with the plants that they have here and stuff, but it's just my favorite place to go to when I'm in town to get a couple of plants. So let's check it out. A lot of beautiful mums right now as we head into the first greenhouse here. This awesome fall display, Beautify Your World. It's a fall garden, moms. You see all the pumpkins there. They also have some pumpkin succulent planters, I was reading. Oh yeah, they're over here. It's a really cool idea. You just take a pumpkin and carve it out, get all your succulents in there. See, we have some aeonium, some ogre ears, some sedums in there. Very cool. So plant of the week, they have this exotic selection. There's all sorts of cacti. Got some moon cactus, some haworthias, and then just a variety of other cactuses down here. These caught my eye right away. Beautiful color. I mean, so many different ranges in there. And then we got some living stones and lithops as well. And then I think those are baby toes. That's pretty. And here, if you guys can see the mimicry plant in flower, it's almost totally bloomed, but I know a lot of people don't get a chance to see them. Even if they grow them themselves, it's sometimes rare to see a flower from it. So the cool thing about Mill Creek Gardens is they also have a lot of workshops and things going year-round depending on what the season. It being fall right now, they're doing this cool succulent pumpkin workshop. As I said before in the beginning of the video, basically you'll just take your set of succulents and plant them in there, and it makes a cool little planter for the fall season. They have all sorts of stuff going along. Like, it seems like every week they have something new here. So it's really great for the family and kids as well, because they have a lot of interactive things for them to do. Right here is kind of like an indoor selection. They have a few different succulents. We are picking up one of these because I don't have one, and I love it. It's really, really cool. I'm not even sure what the variety is exactly. It almost gives the same look of like a Buddhist temple or a crassula. So that's really sweet. And then we are also getting, where's that other one that we got? And we're also getting one of these. They got nice little fuzzies all around it, and then a dark red underneath, as you can see here. So got one of those as well, because again, I don't have that in my collection. Here we have some big echeverias. Nice and plump. Some aloe. Make sure we do #PlantLove. Jades, they have a couple of big jades, which are really sweet. It's awesome if you get a really old jade. I'll show you down here what they look like when they get older. A lot of the ones that you see is just like one little bit of this, a tiny little piece, but most people don't realize that they grow into large plants, sometimes up to like 2 or 3, 4 feet in diameter, just really nice big bushes of jade. So they're very, very cool. The same thing with like elephant bush. I have a video of that if you guys want to check that out, but that'll do the same sort of thing. Anyways, we'll finish with a quick view of the rest of these indoor plants. I got snake plants, a few different ferns. Very cool. Aloe. This is a sweet, nice, really light color, really airy feel to it for the ferns. I don't see a whole lot of people growing those. It would be cool to see them come back because there's a large variety of ferns. So that's something to just keep your eye out on, is see if they make a comeback or not, because they're not really popular right now, but I feel like they definitely could be because of the variety that they have. Here's the elephant ears. Those get really, really big. The petals get to about like almost 3 feet. All right, now I'll go and show you guys throughout the rest of the greenhouses what they have over here. Here they have a cool air plant selection. They got some Spanish moss as well. I'm assuming some of you have seen this, but you basically take these shells and then place the air plant right inside. They look like little jellyfish. I just thought that was cool. In case you guys are ever here too or are curious on visiting, they have all sorts of pots and like little decorations for your own fairy gardens to set up. So this is the first greenhouse yet. Right now it's all like the fall selection. So all of these, as you can tell, are garden mums. If you want to check out to see what plants they carry throughout the year, I have a couple different videos on that. But let's go over here. They have another greenhouse down over this way. Again, it's still probably full of mostly mums because of the season. People are going to be planting some bushes and trees, and then mums for their outdoor decor. I know it's super, super popular with everybody. It's just kind of a staple. I don't know about where you guys are. Maybe drop a comment below. Are mums your fall favorite? So we'll go over here. She said we were able to go and check out all of the succulents that they have. Succulents galore, guys. I tell you this every time. An unbelievable amount that they have. You could take propagating to a whole nother level with this one. Just for days. Succulents for days. And almost every variety that you could ever need, they have. So there it is, guys. Incredible. Again, they got the big potted jades. I wish I brought my actual video camera so you guys can truly see the colors that they got in here, but it's just astounding. I'll say it again, the best greenhouse around, best greenhouse that I've been to in Wisconsin, period. Ooh, I have never seen this before. What are those? They're so big. Look at how big that is. Wow. They also provided us with some free tea. Is this tea? Apple juice. Ooh. Oh yeah, apple cider. Ooh, so good too. Sterling's asleep. He's passed out. So, All right, there's rosemary as well. Got a video on that. I'm going to take a few different photos around here and then hop outside and show you what they have out there, and that'll conclude our trip. Before we go, I wanted to show you some of their outdoor selection. They have perennials here. A lot of them are from proven winners. Several different shrubs, bushes, and in here we'll take a look. So they have an easy guide for people as well, low maintenance butterfly plants, so attractants for butterflies, sun-loving, shade-loving vines, and then more sun-loving and deer-resistant, as well as an edible selection that they usually have. So all sorts of stuff when it comes to perennials too. Again, like I said, I pointed out, if you want to check out some of my previous videos, I think you should be able to just search Mill Creek Gardens and you'll be able to find them. Otherwise, visit their website for sure. I'll have the link in the description below to check out what they have going on if you're in the area and would want to stop by. They're so great at helping you out, whether you're new to gardening or an advanced gardener. They're always willing to help out and have some nice conversation about the plants that you're growing and the experiences that you've had. So definitely check them out. It's Mill Creek Gardens. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope you all enjoyed. If you're in the Marshfield area or around central Wisconsin, I would definitely recommend checking out Mill Creek Gardens. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.